guys, Katie here. So today I have a Tiger Mist unboxing and try on haul. I'm really excited because I have done one other try on haul from Tiger Mist in the past, and I just really fell in love with all of the items that I purchased. And yeah, I'm really excited to unbox this package for you guys. It has been sitting in my room for a couple days now, but I'm very excited, like I just said. So this package is like super giant. As you guys can see, it looks like a pillow right now. So I actually didn't even get that much stuff in this haul, but I am still really excited. So yeah, Tiger Mist, lately they've been having a lot of sales, and when they do have sales, they have like really crazy sales. So I do like to get my hands on these items. I remember a couple years back I did a haul and I got so much stuff for like $100, and I honestly wore every single item all the time. So yeah, that being said, let's start with item number one. It's just a dress. Sometimes I just go on the website to browse just to see like what they have, because they just have really cute stuff, and I don't know, it always just gives me like inspo, like outfit inspo, and it's just fun for me to look at outfits. But anyways, this dress is like a square neck, and then it has like a tie right here. This is so cute. It's just all white, and it has lacy sleeves. This is very like Lana Del Rey, honestly. It's so cute. Yeah, I just had to get this dress. Like, I honestly don't even wear dresses that often, but I really love getting my hands on like super unique pieces that I know I will really love. So yeah, I'm so excited to try this on, you guys. So I got this one in a size small. Oh my god, this is so cute. It has like ruching down the sides. I feel like a lot of the Tiger Mist dresses have this like ruching detailing, and then yeah, and then it's just got this lace detailing right here. It almost reminds me of like mesh. And then if I go like this, there's also like flower details, like little flowers and hearts. Like, that is so beautiful and like unique. But obviously this is just like a 70s vibe, so I'm freaking living for it. So cute. This is like festival heaven right here. So guys, the next item is just this pair of pants. Are these the Pacifica pants? Yes, these are the Pacifica pants. Honestly, I bought these like 2 years ago, and I think I got a stain on them. Like, the first time I wore them, I got a stain on them, and I got so frustrated. I don't even know what happened to them, but yeah, they're long gone. So these look quite familiar to me. But I'm so excited for these. I'm gonna honestly take really good care of these, I promise. I'm just like really excited because this is honestly just like the perfect pair of basic joggers, and I'm just obsessed. I love how there's like a black stripe detail down the sides. Like, these are just so unique because I've never seen any joggers like this ever. Obsessed. I love the like tie up detail in the middle. So flipping cute. Next, I just have this red pair of shorts. These were honestly like insanely cheap when I got them on the website, so I definitely picked them up. I think these shorts were like $13 US, so that's like insane. These are just the Arcadia shorts in red. Ooh, these are so cute. Oh my gosh, I love these. I was afraid that they would be like too sheer, but it's actually like double lined, which is really, really nice. So there's this and then there's this underneath, so love that. But this is just like a very like lightweight material, and it's really soft. I guess it's just polyester. Freaking cute. I loved how they looked on the model, so I was like, okay, I think I need to get these. I don't know what it is, but there's just something really, really fun about wearing red during summertime. I just feel like I'm gonna be wearing these all the time because you can literally just throw these on, and I could even like pair it with this white top that I'm wearing right now. I love that. All right, so last but not least, we just have the Pixie jacket, and this is in the color Caramel. And again, I just got it in a size small, like everything else in this haul. And I think this is actually I Am Gia. Ooh, yes. So this one's actually I Am Gia, and I think this might be like the first I Am Gia purchase that I've ever made, which is really exciting because I Am Gia is just such a fun brand, and I really want to collect more I Am Gia pieces. So this is just what it looks like. It's just like a giant teddy jacket, and I thought this would be perfect to add to my wardrobe because my other teddy jacket from Tiger Mist is just done for, so I just listed it on Poshmark because I've literally have been wearing that jacket for ages. So yeah, I loved that jacket till its death. But yeah, I thought I would pick up another teddy jacket just because they're freaking stunning, and yeah, and my other one has like a hole in it, so I just thought it was the perfect time to buy a new one. So this one is definitely different than my other Pixie jacket. I don't think it's in this room right now. But, so I'm noticing on these, mine actually might be a different style. I don't know. But anyways, these, the pockets are in the front and not the sides. My other jacket from Tiger Mist, the pockets are on the side. This is so cute. I'm really excited to wear this. This looks giant, like so oversized, which I'm living for. And honestly, it's just perfect for when I need to just throw something on and be cozy. And another reason why I love these like teddy, like these Pixie jackets or whatever, is because on the inside, it's just like this really soft, like silky feeling material. I just really love it. It's like, oh, it's so soft, and it's really, really warm. So yeah, I just get cold really easily, and I live in LA, so the weather here is just really like, you don't know if it's gonna be hot or cold. So yeah, really excited for this. So guys, that is it for my Tiger Mist try-on haul. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I might have to browse their website again because this sale has just been lasting forever, and your girl loves a really good sale, especially from one of her favorite shops. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
I'm trying to tell me how to live.